You are with the big story here. I'm Seher Zama, and we're making a start with the latest developments here coming in regarding ongoing investigations of the Sushant Singh Rajput death case here. Apart from Mumbai police and Bihar police, which is already now scrutinizing bank transactions that were made from his bank, it is the enforcement directorate now that has stepped in as well. According to sources, two companies, the directors of which are Riya Chakrabarti and her brother, are now under the ED scanner. ED is reportedly looking at bank transaction details. The family, which has continued to allege that a huge amount of 15 crore rupees that was taken out of Sushant Singh Rajput's account. These are ongoing investigations, scrutiny now that has come in from the ED as well. We have with us our senior correspondent for crime, Bhavtosh Singh, getting us those inputs here. Bhavtosh, this is yet another huge development to have the ED step in on this, not just scrutinize nature of transactions, but more importantly, where the money has been parked and for what use.
This morning, the Bihar police got a letter from the Directorate of Enforcement headquarters in New Delhi asking for details of the FIR that has been lodged by the Patna police as well as some other documents. Now, this is a big development probably because this is the first time that a federal probe agency has stepped into the probe. ED in fact has mandate to probe cases of money laundering. They have said that as of now, no FIR or ECIR has been filed, but they are carrying out a discrete inquiry looking into the allegations that have been levied by the father of Sushant Singh Rajput, in which he had claimed that 15 crore rupees was taken from the bank accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput. Now, the question is whose money was this 15 crore rupees and where did it go? There are two companies whose directors are Riya Chakrabarti and her brother Shauvik Chakrabarti. These companies, prima facie, according to ED officials, appears to be fake companies or shell companies which are used for laundering of money. They want to know where the 15 crore rupee eventually went. They have also said that under PMLA they have powers to record a statement of an accused or a suspect or a witness, which can be used as an evidence in the court of law. More importantly, PMLA gives powers to ED to attack properties if they are proceeds of crime.
All right, massive development here, Bhavtosh, as you're explaining, because now the ED has stepped in here on this as well, and this is essentially because of the amount of money, particularly 15 crore rupees, and where exactly has it gone, what it has been used for, and what was the main purpose. Bhavtosh, thank you for getting us those inputs. But through the day, Bihar police, of course, has been carrying on with its own investigation and scrutiny of bank accounts, which are based in Mumbai. Remember, the Bihar police team, which is in Mumbai for these investigations of the FIR that they have filed in this case here. The Bihar police, while speaking to Mirror Now, has also made another revelation, saying that as of yet, they have no plans to be arresting the main accused, Riya Chakrabarti. This is ongoing investigations. The Bihar police today has visited multiple banks. This is to obtain records of financial transactions. As we speak, the Bihar police is at one of the banks where the late actor had one of his accounts. We have with us our correspondent Neha getting us further inputs here on this as well. Neha, these are transactions that are currently being scrutinized by the Bihar police here. But given the fact it's more or less established that these are transactions that happened during the actor's lifetime. Currently, or what the Bihar police is scrutinizing, how would it establish theft? That these were transactions that happened in the actor's lifetime, but were still theft?
Absolutely. So that kind of trail is still to be established here. If we bring to you the details of what the Bihar police team has probed till now, we understand that witness statements recording was done yesterday. Among this was Sushant Singh Rajput's sister, whose statement was recorded last night itself by the Bihar police team. But today they have been making rounds of several banks in Mumbai, especially in Bandra, where apparently Sushant Singh Rajput has had accounts. This is something that the Bihar police team has confirmed to Mirror Now. Now here, the very important trail, a financial trail that they are trying to establish of Sushant Singh Rajput's accounts as to, if at all, the transfer of funds of 15 crores, as we were mentioning earlier, where exactly it has been done, was it given to Riya's family, and how many people was it given to, and especially as the way you were saying, that whether it was done when the actor was alive or something that has happened after his death. All of these details are trying to be established right now. This is to back up up the claim made by Sushant Singh Rajput's father, KK Singh, on where he has accused Rhea Chakraborty of financially transferring the funds and has also at the same time cheating him of the same crime. So definitely this is something that the Bihar police team is trying to interrogate. Once again, for our viewers, I will just like to give a visual of what is happening right now. We understand this is the ICICI branch of at Pali Naka. This is in Bandra West. This is the same residence of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The bank's branch has officially been closed now for people, but we understand that how we are showing you the team's investigation is still on. They are inside talking to the bank officials, trying to get the paper records in place of the late actor's financial dealings, especially when he was there before, and the kind of money transaction that happened. So it's very important as far as today's investigation of Bihar police team is concerned, because today they are trying to get the evidence in hand and also establish the kind of financial trail that happened apart from talking to the other witnesses.
Yes, this would eventually establish the motive as per what the family has alleged, that this was a case of theft against the main accused, actor Rhea Chakraborty. Neha, thank you for getting us those details. Family, friends that continue to speak out of the late actor, and this is the latest statement now that has come in from Sandeep Singh, Sushant Singh Rajput's friend, asking for the CBI to step in on this to maintain absolute neutrality while these investigations are on. He's also spoken out in defense of Sushant Singh Rajput's family on why they approached the Bihar police so late in the day, justifying, saying that they were in a period of 40-day mourning. They were also cross-checking on facts and to be absolutely sure before they approached the police on those allegations.
मैं ये कहूँगा कि कोई पिता ने अपने बेटे को खोया है तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो गया, क्या होना है, और 13वां था उसके बाद, और ऊपर से मीडिया का प्रेशर था और फैमिली एक सदमे में थी, हम सब दोस्त सदमे में थे। और उस चीज से ऊपर आने के लिए, समझ में आने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, क्या है क्या नहीं है, क्योंकि हमको ये बात को समझना पड़ेगा कि उनके पिताजी या फैमिली से कोई घर पे नहीं रहता था सुशांत के साथ। सुशांत यहाँ पे अपने मैनेजर या कुछ नौकरों, तो अगर 43 डेज बाद ही एफआईआर किया गया है, वो पटना में रहते हैं, तो वो पटना में ही एफआईआर करेंगे। ये नहीं है कि वो फ्लाई डाउन करेंगे एक मीडिया अटेंशन पाने के लिए और फिर मुंबई पुलिस को कंप्लेन लॉन्च करेंगे। ये मीडिया अटेंशन खुद मीडिया ले रही है, लेकिन ये तो एक पिता का पुत्र के लिए एक जो जस्टिस मांगने का हक है वो पटना से कर रहे हैं। तो जस्टिस हम भी मांग रहे हैं, हम भी चाहते हैं कि इस इंक्वायरी को सीबीआई तक लेके जाया जाए, इस इंक्वायरी को हायर, और मैं गवर्नमेंट से अपील करना चाहता हूं कि इसको सीबीआई इंक्वायरी में अब, क्योंकि डेस्परेट हो चुके हैं लोग, और ये पब्लिक और फैंस के खुशी के लिए एक बार गवर्नमेंट को एक बार सोचना चाहिए। मेरी अमित शाह जी से अपील है, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से अपील है कि अब सुशांत के केस को सीबीआई को सौंप दे दीजिए, सौंप कर दीजिए, ताकि सही और गलत का सफाई हो जाए और पता चल जाए कि क्या सच है और क्या झूठ है।